What is the metal नाइट्रोसिल? मेटल नाइट्रोसिल कॉम्प्लेक्स किसको कहते हैं? मेटल नाइट्रोसिल कॉम्प्लेक्स. व्हाट इज आइडिया अबाउट द मेटल नाइट्रोसिल कॉम्प्लेक्स? If we are having the metal atoms, this metal, the metal is directly bonded to what? Nitrosyl as a ligand. This nitrosyl is there. So this is a nitrosyl NO positive. It is a isoelectronic with CO because of having the atomic number is 7 is there. 7 atomic number, 8 atomic number, 6 atomic number. Again what here? 8 atomic number. So that 6 plus 8. 14 is there. This 7 plus 8, and this is what a 7 plus 8 is nothing but what plus 1 is there. It means nothing but 1 electron is less. So that's why this is also 14. So this is the 14 electron, and this one is the 14 electron. So we can say this is what a nitrosyl as a ligand. What I can say? Nitrosyl as a ligand. यहाँ पे नाइट्रोसिल लिगैंड डायरेक्टली अटैच है सेंट्रल मेटल एटम को, ट्रांजिशन मेटल एटम को. तो यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन हम कह सकते हैं. सो नाइट्रोसिल एज अ लिगैंड, दिस इज अ 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर. Nitrosyl as a ligand is directly attached to transition metal. Transition metal is known as what? A metal nitrosyl complexes. Is known as what? A metal nitrosyl complexes. This most important example, this metal nitrosyl complexes is that sodium nitroprusside. Very important. Sodium, that is what? Sodium nitroprusside. So what is the sodium nitroprusside? One of the example of the sodium nitroprusside, if you can take Na2FeCN, Na2FeCN taken 4 times and NO taken twice. You can say this is the taken twice is there. NO taken twice. So this is what? This is the formula for this is metal nitrosyl complex. This is what a metal nitrosyl complex is that sodium nitroprusside. So what is the we can say this is what here the iron atom is here. We are writing these types of the structure. अब इसका हम structure निकाल सकते हैं. This one is the iron transition metal Fe. So this is bonded to 2NO. So this is writing this 2NO is there. So that is what 2NO is there. 2 nitrosyl is there. 2 nitrosyl is there, and what is here? 4 cyanide is there. C triple bond here. C that is what C triple bond here. How many cyanide is there? 4 cyanide is there. 4 cyanide is there. C triple bond here. 4 cyanide is what? Again we are writing this is the 4 cyanide, and this is the transition metal atoms. Then you got FeCN4 and NO taken twice. This is the 2Na positive. If this 2Na positive, this is goes to the 2 negative. It means that whenever we have to the dissociation of such types of the complexes, it become what? 2Na positive plus I am writing this is the 2Na positive. FeCN4. So that is what I am writing in the form of this one Fe plus in bracket FeCN taken 4 times, NO taken twice. So that is nothing but 2 negative. This is 2 negative. This one is 2 positive. So overall complex of this is nothing but what? Sodium nitroprusside. This is having the 4 different ligand. This is the 2 different ligand is there. These 2 different ligand is what? One is what as metal nitrosyl is there. Again it is another cyanide is there. So the cyanide and nitrosyl. But particularly what we can see the metal nitrosyl. Whenever the nitrosyl has a ligand here, this nitrosyl has a ligand is directly bonded to the transition metal complexes. Transition metal. This nitrosyl ligand is directly bonded to the transition metal is nothing but metal nitrosyl complexes. But in this case, this most important example is it is application or the use for pharmaceutical. As we can see, this is a medicinal field. So sodium nitroprusside. So that why? Because of which contain the iron, Hem group is there. But I can say HAM, the Hem group is present in this type of the complexes. That's why it is most useful for in the biological system. As we can say, in biological system, the sodium nitroprusside is most useful in the pharmaceutical as a medicinal field. So this we have been defined. This is this example of the metal nitrosyl complexes. Why? Because of the nitrosyl as a ligand is directly bonded to the transition transition metal complex, transition metal. So that's why it is known as metal nitrosyl complex. There is a two different ligand is directly attached to the central metal. Different ligand. What I can say? Different ligand. Cyanide and the nitrosyl. So this is nothing but what a metal nitrosyl complex is.